Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Google Chrome Auto Update on your computer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the Start menu and search bar. In the search field, type Run and you'll see the Run application appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the Run dialog box. This tool allows you to access various system functions and settings directly without having to navigate through multiple menus. Once the Run window opens, you'll see a text field where you can enter commands. Type services.msc into this field. This command specifically opens the Windows Services Management Console, which gives you control over all the background services running on your system, including update services for various applications. After typing the command, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to execute it. The Services window will now open, displaying a long list of all the services currently installed on your computer. These services handle everything from network connections to automatic updates. Now you'll need to locate Google Updater internal services in this list. The services are typically arranged alphabetically, so scroll down until you find it. This service is responsible for managing Chrome's automatic update process in the background. Once you've found Google Updater internal services, double-click on it to open its Properties window. This will give you access to all the configuration options for this particular service. In the Properties window that appears, look for the Startup Type option. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Disabled from the list of options. This ensures that the service won't start automatically when your computer boots up. After making this selection, click OK to save your changes and close the Properties window. Now you're not quite done yet because Google Chrome uses multiple services for its update process. Scroll down in the Services list again and locate Google Updater Service. This is the second update service you'll need to disable to completely stop Chrome from automatically updating. Double-click on this service to open its Properties window as well. Just like before, find the Startup Type drop-down in this Properties window, click on it and select Disabled to prevent this service from running. Once you've made this change, click OK to apply the setting and close the window. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Google Chrome's automatic updates on your system. The browser will no longer update itself in the background, giving you full control over when and how Chrome gets updated. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.